In this video, we will go through the Start Center. Once you've logged in, the screen is divided into 3 sections. On the left is Inbox. On the right are charts and KPIs. We will only use Inbox in this implementation. The Inbox displays pending actions or activities for users on the Start Center page. You can go to screens necessary to complete actions or activities associated with Inbox entries directly from the Inbox. You can modify the inbox by adding and/or deleting entries. You can also modify the order in which entries are displayed. The inbox includes 3 tabs: Operations, Maintenance, and Management. It is currently set to Maintenance by default. If the system is not defaulting to the right folder, select the Inbox tab to set as the default. Then click Save as Default. To modify the inbox, select Personalize, which is the button that looks like a gear. The upper half of the pop-up screen will show you the list of inboxes currently displayed. Sequence number is simply the order in which entries are displayed. To delete an entry, select the line and click Delete Inbox Entry. To add an entry, click Insert Inbox Entry. Specify the sequence number, enter the inbox code, and select the folder on which to place the inbox entry. Select the Auto Refresh checkbox to enable the system to automatically refresh the inbox every time you go to the Start Center. After you click Submit, the entry should be added to the list. Once you are done updating your inbox entry list, you may click Close.